What's up, guys? Another episode of Garage Build TV. Today we're going to be doing some little things in the engine bay, getting ready for the K series. We're going to be taking out the body harness, getting ready to send that out to Hux Racing so they can modify it and get it ready for the K series stuff. And we're going to be taking off the E153 trans off the 3S and get that cleaned up for Steven. And basically getting this thing ready to paint the bay, re-black. We're gonna paint it black again. So yeah, let's get into it.
We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my...
Alright guys, so here's the engine bay. I know it doesn't look like very much, but we have to take the intercooler out. We gotta wrap those up with some tape so they don't get sprayed. We gotta take out the filler. We gotta take out the fuel filter and just all this just random vacuum hoses. We're going to be doing push lock fittings. We're taking off this coil thing here and the coolant, and we're going to be using this same location for the catch can, so we'll just take that out, but we won't be welding up any holes or anything. We're taking all this stuff out of the trunk too. And kind of getting it ready for the paint. So let's get into that.
everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gonna forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together. I'm never gonna turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I never be stopping. Everyone asking when a new drop in. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching. Love every fan, just know you're not forgotten, no. Everything I used to dream being real right now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go down, till the lights go down, I've been feeling alright, I've been taking what's mine, I've been running out of time, I'ma keep on going up till the lights go down. Everybody wanna be friends now, but not everybody been with me. Started with a couple hundred plays now, but not everybody saw this me. I seen it coming, it was all or nothing. I knew the future gonna give me something. I put in the time, put in the work in my...
Alright guys, so the part of the body harness that Hux Racing needs actually is behind here. You take this kick panel off and it's just on bolts. But when we get that off, we'll show you. But anyways, it runs from this little kick panel access all the way down the side of the car, into the back, through the firewall, down and around. They have it tucked down through the vent there, but comes out into the back here. And then it just goes into this, to the box, the fuse box, and then wraps around the actual tail lights into the antenna there. So you want to take all that out, and basically we're going to pull this thing out from inside out this way, and then all of it down and around. First step we're going to do is we're going to take this seat out. Alright guys, we got the seat out. Now you may or may not want to do it. It's up to you personally how you want to do it, but it's just easier for me. It gets everything out of the way. And hey Steven, we found this lighter that you probably lost months ago. It was under the seat, behind the seat. So. Alright, so now we'll take off these plastic, door sills here, and I'll remove this front kick panel here, and we'll show you the wire. All right, guys. So we got the kick panel off here and the plastic piece for the door, and all you're gonna do is you're just gonna unplug these 4 plugs right here. You see those? These 4 plugs from the body, okay? And then this little flip door, you just flip that sucker open and you unbolt this 10mm on the bottom. You don't have to do the top one, just the bottom one. Like this. Just kidding, you gotta do the top one. It's not really a good design, I don't think. Maybe it is. You just pull it off, just that's why. Okay, so you do have to remove both of them. I thought it was just this one on the bottom. It's been a while since I've had the body harness off. But undo those 2 10s, and then this thing will just pull right out. We're gonna have to take off this aftermarket wiring, all these zip ties. But we'll do that, and we'll set it up, and we'll show you how to get it the rest of the way out. All right, guys, so we're in the back here. We're going to take off this lid. It is just 3 Phillips head screws. It looks like Steven has a stash of money in here. Just gonna leave it. Wink, wink. Alright, now next thing, we're going to just pop this piece of plastic off. Well, we got to remove this. There's just 1 Phillips screw in there. Man, this sure's a lot. I hope I remember where everything goes. You know?
I think it'll be alright.
Alright, pop that off. Now you have access where you can see the harness. So there's 1 10mm that is grounded. I'm just going to go ahead and remove that bad boy. Okay. And as you can see, this little carpet here kind of gets in the way. We'll just fold it back a little bit. Oh, that will just pop off there. I don't think that was on there really good anyway. Alright, so with this removed, you can kind of see this wire was already cut. We're going to pull this one through. This is all just aftermarket stuff for his gauges or his old ECU that he had that we no longer need. Just move that out of the way. Alright, so you have just this one clamp here. Just pull that back and pull the actual harness towards you. Alright. Never seen one of these buckle things. Mine didn't have that. So you want to undo the zip tie. I don't know if there'd be one on yours, probably not. And unplug this. And unplug this plug in the back. Now we are ready to go to the other side and pull this thing through. So let's go ahead and get the camera set up and film that. Alright, I'm just going to have Tyler feed this through to me. Just going to pull it through. That way nothing gets cut up or damaged. It's very easy when you have a friend helping you. Now we're just going to feed it. Usually it runs along this line here and back and through this hole right here, but they have it tucked. So we'll pull it through the back here. Feed it through. body harness is off. Well, once we disconnect from the antenna. That was supposed to be Tyler Shapley. He failed again. So, all right, guys. So we got the harness out. You'll send this whole harness here to Hux Racing, along with your engine harness, and he just does his magic and puts them together real quick, like, and then bam, it's done. And shit works. Everything but the speedometer, but they make something for that, and we'll show you how to install that once we get there. So, we'll ship that out to Hux Racing. And now we got that out, let's finish what we're doing in the engine bay.
Nothing I knew the future gonna give me something. I put in the time, put in the work on my rhyme. Knew all along I was shine, I'm on now. Got a long way to go, won't slow down. I've been staying up too long now. Sun coming up and I'm in the zone now. I'm doing what everyone don't now. When the money won't change me. People thinking I'm crazy. Negative talk don't faze me. Focused on pleasing the people who raised me. Invest in myself. Already knew the projection. Drowning in all of my wealth. Now money is people and blessings. Wishing that everyone started with millions of dollars and do what they wanted. I wonder how many would still go to college or follow the dreams and not worry about falling. It's real. Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go down, down. Till the lights go down, down. I've been feeling alright. I've been taking what's mine. I've been running out of time. I'ma keep on going up till the lights go down.
Alright guys, we got all this junk out of the engine bay and it is now clean and ready to be prepped. We're gonna rough it up, sand it down a little bit. We're gonna paint it the same color so there's not too much work. Took the carpet out on the wall, gonna make that nice and neat looking. So yeah, there that is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of this one. Next one we'll show you, hopefully we'll have the correct fuel pumps and we'll show you how to install those. And we'll have the line, then we can put the fuel tank back up in it. And eventually get this transmission off, but it's getting kind of late, so we both have to work tomorrow. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell button so you know when we post up some videos, and that's it. All right, see ya.